Boom, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. Ooh, okay, body, 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 body. Bounce, 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 body. Ooh, level up. Hey guys, so I am back with another wash day. I have already sectioned my hair. I'm going to be using my favorite Adwoa Beauty products, of course. I'm going to put their shampoo in and then apply their deep conditioner, and then I'll come back and show y'all how I style. Okay, so I am currently still deep conditioning. I've had this on for a little over 2 hours, and so I always use a plastic bag. Right, oh my gosh. It's so soft and feels so good. And the mint is so calming. It's like, it's happiness. So I am about to rinse this out, and then I'm going to, I don't know if I'm going to do a wash and go, if I'm going to do a twist out. We'll see. Be back soon. I am back with my braid out. And I'm going to leave these in until tomorrow, and then I'll show y'all my results. What's up, guys? So I am back here to take down my braid out featuring Adwoa Beauty products. Okay, so I have 3 braids left to take down, and let's get to it. So here's a close-up for y'all. Do not look at my ends, okay? Let's get this side. Not gonna do this side, because this piece right here is irking my nerves. Boom, shaka-laka, laka. Oh, all these curls are on me, ayy. All these curls are on me, ayy. Ayy, ayy. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. The only product I have out right now that I did not put away is the shampoo, but it's from Adwoa Beauty, and I used not only the shampoo, but I used the deep conditioner, favorite. I used the leave-in conditioner, also a favorite. And I use the Baomint Curl Defining Cream. So I got these juicy braid out that is popping to the gods, okay? Also a favorite. This is also a favorite too. I didn't say favorite, but this is also a favorite. I just love Adwoa Beauty. Like, I cannot wait for their showroom to open in Dallas, because I will be there. I will be there picking up my products like yas. And I also want to get like a consultation. I can't wait to go do all that stuff at their showroom. Please open soon. I know y'all about to open soon, so I can't wait. Bro, just so much body. Like, what the? Why do y'all watch my videos? I don't know. Level up. Why is that song in my head? Because Adwoa Beauty just leveled me up. Okay. No, do not pay attention to my ends again. Like, this is like my 15,000th time saying it, but don't, because I need a haircut. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, so let me know what y'all think about these results. I think that they are amazing. Adwoa Beauty never fails me. Wash and go, braid out, twist out, whatever it is, it's my go-to. So let me know what y'all think though, and while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See y'all soon.